energy, natural gas resources.
Women quietly waiting at the doctor's office. Woman 1 says, "Call Dad."
Every Saturday at 12:32 Pacific time, I decide whether or not I want to stay up a little bit longer instead of going to bed an hour earlier to tune to a radio station programmed all the way up north, 500 miles, to catch a series of 6 beeps total that happen at 12:32 approximate, just for the whole purpose of uploading to my channel that specializes in uploading this type of content. Welcome to my life.